Before you head out for your DIY projects this Labor Day, you're probably asking, is Home Depot open on Labor Day 2025? Let's get that answered right now. Labor Day weekend is the perfect time to tackle those home projects you've been putting off, whether it's repainting the kitchen, fixing up your backyard, or starting your cozy fall decor. But the last thing you want is to show up at a store only to find it closed. After checking things out, here's the good news. Home Depot will be open on Labor Day 2025, and most stores are expected to follow their regular business hours. That means you can shop for tools, paint, lumber, or any home improvement essentials without worrying about missing out. Of course, every location is slightly different. Some stores might adjust opening or closing times depending on the area, so it's always a smart move to double-check your local Home Depot before heading out. A quick online search or a phone call can save you time and frustration. So, whether your weekend plans include a full DIY makeover, sprucing up your garden, or grabbing supplies for seasonal decorating, you can confidently plan your trip. Yes, Home Depot will be open, and your projects don't have to wait. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest DIY tips, store hours, and all things home improvement. You won't want to miss what's coming next.